Time to diagnose a Volkswagen WE 2016 for a leaking issue. Looks like this is the drain. There's another one on the other side of the front. I'm going to test that real quick with some water. See if it drains down. Well, it looks like it's just sitting there. I'm guessing that's going to be the problem. I'll try the other side. Alright, here's the other side. Adding the water. And looks like it's kind of just sitting there. So I got some weed whacker string. I'm going to shove it down there and see if I can loosen it up. The end of the tube from the drain goes right underneath the hood in there, and you can see that's full of debris. So here we go. We're just going to shove that down in there. Seems to be blocked up pretty good. Might have to go under the hood and look at the end of it. Looks like this side is doing a little better than the other side. Some of the water is already gone. But I'm going to go ahead and put this down in there. See if I can get rid of the rest of it. Probably have to do a voiceover because really loud neighbors. Alright, without doing anything other than pushing this down and getting it all the way till where it stops, and then giving it a little spin or two, looks like the water is drained. So let's see if the water will drain again. Alright, I've got it still in there, and let me pour some water in. Okay, you see the water, and look at it, it's going away. I must have cleared it out. It's about 3 or 4 foot of line, and I think that probably did the trick for now. Might not be a bad idea to go in there and clean that debris on the bottom too. But as of now, it's clean. Job done. Less than 5 minutes.